Hello boys, we have discussed a lot of tests about the fuels. We are going to discuss about the flammability, ignitability as well as the diesel index of fuels. Flammability. Flammability is the ability of a chemical to burn or ignite, causing fire or combustion. Flammability is the ability of a chemical to burn or ignite, causing fire or combustion. The degree of difficulty required to cause the combustion of the chemical is quantified through fire testing. The degree of difficulty required to cause the combustion of the chemical is quantified through fire testing. Flammability requires a fuel and oxygen together. Flammability requires a fuel and oxygen together. Flammability limits are the boundaries of high and low fuel concentration within which flammability is possible. Flammability limits are the boundaries of high and low fuel concentration within which flammability is possible. Usually, materials are rated as highly flammable, flammable and non-flammable. Usually, materials are related as a highly flammable, flammable and non-flammable. The graph is showing the temperature versus vapor concentration percentage. It clearly shows the flammable mixture is too rich at the upper side and lower flammable limit at the bottom side. So, we are seeing this point is showing the upper flammable limit and this point is the lower flammable limit. Ignitability. Ignitability is the characteristics used to define as hazardous those waste that could cause a fire during transport, storage or disposal. Ignitability is the characteristics used to define as hazardous those waste that could cause a fire during transport, storage or disposal. So, we have to have an idea at which temperature the fuel is getting fired to keep the storage place or transportation safely. It is tested by means of flash point. We already discussed about it. Example of ignitability is liquids with a flash point of less than 60 degrees Celsius. Example of ignitability is the liquids with a flash point of less than 60 degrees. The graph shows the diesel index. Diesel index is an introduction of the ignition quality of diesel fuel. Diesel index is an indication of the ignition quality of a diesel fuel. Diesel index can be determined by calculation from the specific gravity and the annealing point of the sample. Diesel index can be determined by calculating the specific gravity and the annealing point of the sample. Diesel index is equal to annealing point, the products of annealing point and API divided by 100. The higher the number, the better the ignition quality. The higher the number, the better the ignition quality. So, the flammability, ignitability as well as the diesel index are playing major role in testing the fuels. Thank you.